Kaya.
Gaganto na lang po ako.
Ayan, say hi.
Hello! The Queen is back!
Because Bingay. Hi! Hi, everybody. Kasi si Bingay, nakipaglibing. So si Eugene will take care of me until Bingay gets back. Ayaw na paalam sa akin na kapatid. Off ka naman ng maayos. Okay. Okay, kasi Eugene is a nurse. So we have work tomorrow and the following day. So, pinakita yung fast food na ako. Okay. I'm back. Love you all. Ito yung pinakamasarap na na-try ko na milk tea in my life. Oh, in my life? Guys, really masarap. I swear. Sarap, no? Ano pa masarap? Ito. Kaysa. Madami pa na po. Sorry, guys. Garlic. Yummy, right?